years on the Department of Public Safety. The tape you are about to see commemorates 20 years of service provided by the department's Air Rescue Unit.
Imagine getting paid to do this, or being able to do this while you are working. Sound too good to be true? It's not. You could be doing all these things and more and getting paid to do them, but only if you enroll in the Gallagher Institute for Disc Jockeys. The Gallagher Institute offers a unique and inexpensive way for you to learn the disc jockey trade. Plus, we'll show you step by step how to push the right buttons at the right time. Also included, a special section on how to enunciate clearly while both feet are securely planted in your mouth. And if you call an order right now, you'll receive our handbook, How to Stab People in the Back the Right Way, at no extra charge. Just send $49.95, check or money order, to get your very own personal videotape. No schooling necessary. We guarantee within 1 hour after viewing this detailed tape, you'll be a qualified disc jockey. Honest. You'll be ready to go out and make a ton of new friends and thousands of dollars, too.
That's $49.95 to the Gallagher Institute, P.O. Box 7777, Bogus City, California, 11111.
Authorized disc jockey certificate included.